gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Yimini Arce, one known as the Ultimate Gardener. You might be seeing that we're in a different story setting or place. We're here in Hialeah, Florida to work on one of our friends' gardens. And so I was able to come over today and work on their front yard garden because it's lacking a bit of color, and so it just needs a bit of trimming up, a bit of TLC. And so that's why I came to the rescue, and so I'm doing this voluntarily. And so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up every dead plants. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the gladiolas, because yes, there is gladiolas planted in that circle right there. And then we're gonna add a bit more plants into this area, and then I'll let you guys know if any more plants are purchased to be put in here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start trimming and taking out dead plants, and so I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys with me. So let's go ahead and do that now. So Ultimate Gardeners, this is the first thing I'm gonna trim back. This is a hibiscus that they had. This is a double red hibiscus. I'm gonna cut the tips off because I'm already seeing whitefly stuff being added to it, and so I'm gonna go ahead and just top it off a little bit and see it from there. So let me go ahead and do that now. So Ultimate Gardeners, every single plant has been planted. I am super happy on how it came out. I know the owner of the house, which is my friend, she really likes it too. And so there is a big chance that we will get a bit of fall annuals to add a bit more color into this area. And so if we ever do, I'll tag you guys along with us, for you guys could see our little chosen of plants, and so we could finish this project up. So let me go ahead and go straight to Home Depot and purchase these fall annuals. Gardeners, we are back. So the final decision was made, and we did buy a few annuals. And so you might be looking at these annuals and you might be saying these are spring annuals, but here in South Florida they're considered fall annuals. And so let me go ahead and flip around the camera and show you. So Ultimate Gardeners, I just realized I needed to record it when I was just planting the first one, but we got this beautiful hot pink vinca, as well as these torninas right here around this agave, and then we trespassed it over here too. So it's just a little tiny simple project. So let me go ahead and set up the camera and show you guys. Ultimate Gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. The entire garden was cleaned up and annuals were planted. Everything's ready for the season of fall, and so I'm very happy that we were able to come down here, because we once in a while do come here. And so when we come here, I'm usually the one taking care of the garden. It used to be my dad, but now it's handed over to me. I'm super happy on how everything came out, as you guys saw with the last clip. I'm super happy that finally we have some color here. Everything's been tidied up, and it's ready to be shown and ready to grow on to the next season. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.